So today we are gonna make this type of cool text with your image. So it's very easy to make. You don't need complicated, you don't need some software like Photoshop or Adobe type, you just need some internet. And if you don't want to buy a software like me, I'm not buying any software from Adobe, and right now I'm using the Linux, so I don't have Photoshop, so I'm using the online called the PIXLR. So by using this we are making these types of cool. So let's get started. This right now I'm using is the online editor or online tools called the PIXLR. So it's very nice. It similarly works like Photoshop. So if you don't have the Photoshop like me, and right now I'm using the Linux, so it's very nice to me to use this one. It's called the PIXLR, and yeah, it's majority it's similarly kind of Photoshop. So choose your size, create I'm just creating the new image and choosing your own size. So I'm choosing the 1820 into 1920 into 1080, and if you want to your background transparent, then click this one. So this is our main page where we are doing our editing stuff. So go to layer, open image as a layer, then choose your image, which one you want to choose. So right now here is my New York image, so I'm just opening. And if you want to crop this or change its size, then go to edit, free transformation. And when you are doing the free transformation, make sure you press the shift button, otherwise it's feel very very unusual and it's not that much good. So if you are pressing the shift, then yeah, it's moving very smooth and cool. So fix your own. I just want to this one perfect. So if you are done with this, then go to the text and type for your text. So I'm using the text called the Bieber's New. So it's, if you want this text, then you can check the link in the description for this text. So I'm just typing New York, and choose your size, and I'm just choosing the bold. Okay, so this is my New York, and if you want to just shift here, if you are done with this, click to New York and go to the layer, and make sure you just click this restrict size layer. If you don't do this, then if we are try to do this one, then it will make as this is a text, so we can't edit. So for changing this, we need to go to layer and press restrict size layer. So right now it's not a normal text, so we can modify it. I'm just making it bigger, so it's be cool. So you can choose your own part, which part you want to. I will choose this part is nice. Okay, and then go to the wan tool. So pressing this, if you want to select the multiples, then press shift for multiple choice, shift. So we just choose all the letters and go to your image layer, click it, and just click add layer mask. So right now we have done, and if you then undo your text, see. So this is our final product. So if you want this, so if you want press this, then it's automatically it's bring back. So I don't want this one right now. If you want some 3D types, then go to this one, layer style, drop shadow. So make sure your opacity is 100%, and you can choose your own. I prefer distance 5, and size also be 5. Okay, so yeah, we can see you can make your own. So it's very easy to make. So when you done it, go to file, save. So right now I'm saving this as an image. So if you want to save this as a PNG and transparent background, so you can use these words in your different types of editing, or you can use this in your video. Then choose PNG, and then if you just give your name, I'm typing New York. Okay, and I'm just saving in the desktop, save. So we just create some cool. So you can check, here is my New York. See? So like this, we can make your own name. You can make your own name, and you can make your country, and so this is very easy and simple, but very useful, so, and you only need some 1 minute or 2 minutes to do that. So enjoy this one, then see you next Friday.